Welcome back to another video where today we're unboxing and reviewing this model RWB 964 Itchiban Boshi number 7. You can see straight away the packaging resembling more of a mini GT or tarmac work style, but this having the plastic cover on the front so you can see straight through to the model. The colours of the box match the car perfectly, with all the information on the bottom, all the warnings and stuff, and the name of the model as well. And like I say, with the colours to match the car, really nicely packaged and in my opinion quite unique packaging as well. With the model fully unboxed, you can see those deep dish 5-spoke wheels, which do roll fairly well on the front and a little bit worse on the back, but it does roll a little bit. You can see the rear tyre does have a bit of a deformity to it, which isn't too big of an issue. I think it's just quality control, as the other models that I have checked out haven't had this issue. But the main standout for this model is on the rear of it, with that bumper delete and the incredible, really detailed exhaust and underside of the engine, which really complements the model well and puts it in a bracket of its own. Obviously these models coming in around £17 to £20, very well done, and in terms of quality they feel a bit like a mini GT or a tarmac works, not quite with Pop Race's level of detail for their engines, but nonetheless the level of detail on this model is really good for the price point, and in terms of how it feels in hand is also really good quality as well. The paint application and decals are also really well done. The rear decals could be a little bit better in my opinion, as it's a little bit harder to read under the RWB logo, but nonetheless the other decals around it, the Martini logo and the numbers, very well done and nice and crisp, easy to read and look good up close as well. You can see overall the paint application very nicely done. Yellow is quite hard to get right, as sometimes it can be too thick, but I think they've done a really good job on this model of getting the yellow nice and thin, but still also covering the model very well and not leaving it too plain. Proportionally, this model is also really well done, as it fits in with all the other brands that do RWB models and doesn't look out of place at all. I would have liked to see maybe a little bit lower, but obviously this car in real life isn't slammed to the ground like most RWBs. This one was used for racing, so it's a little bit higher up, obviously not to drag on the floor. Again, overall really well done. I like the black around the headlights. Maybe the tail lights could be a little bit more detailed, but nonetheless still really good, as like I say, especially for the price point, and proportionally the model doesn't look out of place at all, and the level of detail compares up to the models that are around the £20 to £25, even some of the ones that are £30 as well. Like I say, that exhaust is really well detailed and looks incredible up close. They've really not skimped out on the detail on the rear of the model, which is really good to see, especially for a model of this price point. Like I keep mentioning, it's absolutely fantastic. The level of detail in the headlights is also really good, and I do really like the proportions of the headlights. The taillights could maybe be a little bit smaller, but nonetheless it's still very good. I also really like the fact the wing mirrors have got the decals for the mirrors, which is really cool to see and just adds another level to the realism of these models, which, like I say, very good to see, as not a lot of brands do actually do that for the models. And overall this model looks absolutely incredible. This is the first time for me checking out this brand on the channel, and honestly I've got to say I'm really impressed, especially of the overall quality and feel of this model. It feels really good in hand, nice and premium, and doesn't feel like a cheaper version of an RWB at all. Again, really well done overall and a great finish, especially for you RWB fans. I think you'll really like this one. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on this model, and let me know any more models you would like to see on the channel as well.